Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Intercom for customer messaging and bots. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Intercom. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Intercom homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be granted access to the Intercom dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To start using customer messaging, navigate to the Messages section on the left sidebar. For bot setup, go to the Bots section from the same sidebar. Here, you can create and manage your customer messaging and bots efficiently. If prompted, you might need to verify your account through a two-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions if two-factor authentication is enabled. Congratulations, you are now logged in and ready to enhance your customer communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.